Hi, welcome to the Business League. So we have you registered for our breakfast on Wednesday, the 5th of February, and I wanted to take a couple of moments just to share with you all about the breakfast, how you can get the most out of it, and what you can expect. My name's Edward Plant. I'm one of the founders of the Business League. The other founder is my wife, Rebecca. She's the beauty and the brains behind the whole thing. I'm just going to be the guy up the front running the breakfast for you guys. So we are the Business League has been on the Gold Coast for 14 years, and we support business owners connect, develop and grow their business. And that's what we're going to do on Wednesday morning. It's at so I'll get to some logistics in a moment. The first thing is we've got an amazing speaker for you. Leanne Kemp, Queensland Chief Entrepreneur, the first person to do it back to back, so 2 terms. And the first entrepreneur to do it whilst running a global business. So really powerful. Last year she travelled Queensland and covered 71,000 kilometres, talking to business owners, working out how to, understanding what they need and sharing with them what they need to make a bigger impact in their businesses and their communities. And that's what the Business League is about. So we're really excited to have her present to you in the 5th of Feb. So the details of the event is the doors open at 6:30 a.m. The venue is at Metricon Stadium. Really excited about this venue. It's the first time it's been used outside of game day. So we're sort of the first people to use it. And we're in the Chairman's Lounge, which looks out over the field and should be spectacular. The doors open at 6:30 and we start the breakfast at 7. So there'll be somebody at the front door to meet you. Upstairs, so make your way through the gate. Upstairs there'll be a map to show you where to park and how to get in. And once you're in at between 6:30 and 7, there's free networking time. You can grab a tea and a coffee and do that. We'll have some people there to introduce you to a couple of members and make you feel welcome and at home. We're not an organisation where it's all cliquey all over the place. It's really inclusive, and we want you to come and feel comfortable and have a great time. Breakfast kicks off at 7. We'll get straight into some announcements and some networking time. After the networking time, we get into Leanne's presentation, and she's going to be a Q&A. So if you've got a question you specifically want Leanne to answer, hit reply to this email and let us know so that we can queue that to the top of the list. After Leanne, I'm going to grab you all just to say g'day and answer any of your questions and have a chat to you about business, the Business League, and everything going on the Gold Coast at the moment. After that, we come back for a bit more networking and we finish at 9 o'clock. Bring your business cards, come in happy and excited to kick off 2020 in a really great style. We've got over 90 people booked in. It's going to be a cracking morning. So we're looking forward to seeing you there. If you've got any questions whatsoever, hit reply. If you have any dietary requirements, we need to know. So hit reply and let us know. Otherwise, I look forward to seeing you on Wednesday. Have a great day.